Every year, thousands of innocent cutoffs are abandoned, tossed aside, or burned by thoughtless woodworkers. These cutoffs did nothing wrong, they lived good lives, and they dreamed of becoming something. Anything. So today, I'm doing my part. I'm saving these two from the cruel fate of the landfill and giving them the makeover they asked for. Now, don't get me wrong, there's a reason these two almost took the final ride in the garbage truck. They were cracked, they were gray, they were uglier than a pallet that's been left outside since 1998. I definitely had my work cut out for me. Once I had these boards flat enough that I wasn't going to get roasted in the comments, I decided it was time to start sanding. And then more sanding, and then more sanding. And then came the water pop to reveal whether these things were going to be secretly beautiful or still emotionally damaged. And now for the moment that every cutoff dreams of, the part where it goes from shop trash to the Instagram charcuterie influencer. Now just wipe off the excess, and these two are officially ready for their Instagram debut. Not bad for a pair of boards that were just 5 minutes away from becoming landfill celebrities. So, which one would you take home? The ocean blue beauty or the emerald green glow up? Personally, I think they both turned out way better than anyone would have ever expected.